हाय फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू। वेलकम टू दिस चैनल जीएस स्टडी सर्कल। आज के इस लेसन में हम बात करने वाले हैं द एमएससी एंट्रेंस क्वेश्चंस ऑफ मॉडर्न फिजिक्स विच इज़ सेलेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट एमएससी एंट्रेंस विच इज़ previously conducted. I have the package of the questions which is the topic related, that is wave and Compton effect. मैं यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन जो बेसिकली द कंसेप्ट के बेस पे है जो कि वेव के रिलेट में आते हैं, बस 2 या 3 लेने वाला, जस्ट रिवीजन ऑन द वेव कंसेप्ट. And then we talk about the Compton effect. I have the number of questions on the Compton effect which is basically the previous year questions from the different MSc entrance जो कि आपको आगे की जो एंट्रांस आने वाली उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी आएंगे. The first question that is related about the wave. I have question that is question number 1. When a pebble is dropped into the pond of still water, then what happens? Okay, there are the 4 options, that is particle move, wave move, the pebble moves, या water moves. You have to choose the out of the 4 option. The correct option of this question is option B, because when a pebble is thrown in a still water, a circular pattern of alternate crests spread out. The kinetic energy makes the particle to oscillate, which comes in contact with it. The energy get transferred to the particles of the next, that's why it begins to oscillate. Okay, the next number of question is question 2. The mechanical wave are called as the elastic waves. You have to choose आपको ट्रू या फॉल्स बताना है. The answer of this question is it is a true statement, because the wave which requires a medium for their propagation are called mechanical waves. They are also called the elastic wave because they depend upon the elastic properties of medium. The third number question, that is what are the essential properties of the medium must possess for the propagation of mechanical waves? Is it stable pressure, maximum friction, constant temperature, या minimum friction? The answer of this question is answer D, because the friction force amongst the particles of medium should be negligibly small so they continue oscillating for the sufficiently long time. Okay, the next question is the transfer waves can be formed in the fluids. Is it true or false? The answer of this question is it is false statement. The reason that is the transfer waves travel in the form of crest and trough. They involve changes in the shape of medium, so they can be transmitted through the medium which have rigidity. As fluids do not sustain shearing stress, the transfer waves cannot be formed in them. Okay, this is about the questions on the wave which give the basic concept, and you can easily solve these questions. Okay, the next question, that is main topic of this video, that is Compton effect. I have the questions about the Compton effect from the basically the black body to the waves. The first question, that is the question number 1, which of the following is the characteristic of black body? As a perfect black body, that it has a property, that is option C, that is it is a perfect radiator and the perfect absorber. Okay, the next question is that अगला question, the energy distribution is not uniform for any given temperature in a perfect black body. Is it true or is it false? Okay, the basically it is a false statement, because for the black body, as it is an emitter, perfect emitter, at a different temperature, when a perfect black body is allowed to emit radiation, then distribution of energy for different wavelength at various temperatures is uniform. That's why it is a false statement. The option B is an option correct. Option 3, the Rayleigh-Jeans law holds good for the which of the following? It is for the shorter wavelength, या longer wavelength, या high wave temperature, या high energy. That is holds good for the option B, which is for the longer wavelength. And in opposition to the Rayleigh-Jeans law, the next question, that is Wien's displacement law holds good for which of the for the shorter wavelength? Is it false or true? So it is true, that is option B is untrue, because it holds good for the shorter wavelength. Okay, the next question is question number 5, which of the following does not affect the photon? Is it magnetic or electrical, light waves, gravity, or current? As photon is an neutral particle, that's why it cannot affected by the magnetic or electric field. Okay, the option is A correct. Then the next question is option 6. What is the Compton effect? शिफ्ट इन फ्रीक्वेंसी है क्या, शिफ्ट इन चार्जेस है, शिफ्ट इन रेडिएशन या शिफ्ट इन वेवलेंथ? तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, बिकॉज इट इज शिफ्ट इन द वेवलेंथ. Okay, when a photon collides with an electron at rest, the photon gives its energy to the electron. Therefore, the scattered photon will have higher wavelength compared to the wavelength the incident photon. Okay, the next question is question number 7. The Compton shift depends upon which of the following? Is it incident radiation या nature of scattering substance? तो इसका आंसर है नन ऑफ दिस, विच इज ऑप्शन सी होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे रिमेनिंग है बिकॉज इट डज नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन और नेचर ऑफ द स्कैटरिंग. तो ऑप्शन सी होगा इसका, जो मैंने लिखा नहीं, नन ऑफ दिस, नन. तो नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है ऑप्शन नंबर 8. Which of the following is called as non-mechanical waves? क्या मैग्नेटिक वेव्स को, इलेक्ट्रिक वेव्स को, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स या इलेक्ट्रिक वेव्स या मैटर वेव्स? द करेक्ट आंसर इज द ऑप्शन बी, because electromagnetic wave easily can pass through the space also. It does not require medium. Take it a minute. The next question is question number 9. Which of the following is associated with the electron microscope? Is it the matter waves या electrical waves? तो इसका ऑप्शन सही है electrical waves, which is related with the electron microscope. The option B. The next question is a numerical question. A radio station broadcasts its program to 19.3 meter wavelength. Determine the frequency of radio waves if the velocity is given as 3 into 10 to the power. That is the frequency. You know that the frequency is equals to c divided by lambda. Then from it you can easily calculate it. That is easy questions, easy numericals. The right answer of this question is option C, 1.36 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. The next question is the last question, that is on that bunch, that is calculate the d Broglie wavelength of an electron which is an accelerated from an rest of application of potential 400 volts. Option of this question is 0.6135 Armstrong, and the formula this question for the lambda is equals to h divided by under root of 2 me 2 mass of electron, charge of electron E, or the potential V. तो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. इफ़ इट लाइक इट, आपको पसंद आया तो इस मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और भी ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन चाहिए तो मुझे कमेंट कीजिए, मैं और भी ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आपको लाऊंगा. और कुछ स्टडी मटेरियल चाहिए तो वो भी मुझे कमेंट में लिख दीजिए. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.